a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
Welcome to my channel, guys. This video is inspired by Selena, the ever so famous Latina singer. Indian ode to Selena's makeup. In this look, Selena has worn very subtle eyeliner and glossy red lips. And I'm going to recreate Selena's makeup look Indian way. Selena Quintanilla makeup tutorial.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well, guys, and turn on the bell notification as well. And please excuse my Spanish singing, and let's just jump right into the video. From my Makeup Revolution palette, I am taking this brown transition color on a fluffy brush, applying the transition shade all over my eyes in back and forth and circular motions. For my crease, I'm taking NYCCA's birthday cake palette, and I'm taking this dark pink color on a smaller brush, applying the pink color on my crease line using light strokes. Slowly building the color intensity. Now I'm gonna cut my crease using a light color concealer on a very small brush. Applying the concealer only at the center of my eyes. From my Makeup Revolution palette, I'm gonna take this very beautiful shimmery pink color, applying it at the center of my eyes. Can you see how beautiful it looks? I'm already loving this eye look. Applying the same dark pink color under the eyes as well. In this look, Selena has also applied kajal along with a winged eyeliner. Grabbing a white highlighter from Makeup Revolution palette, I'm gonna highlight my eye sockets. I think I need more highlighter, so this time I'm gonna use my pinky finger to apply the highlighter at the inner sockets. Perfect. Now I'm just going to apply fake eyelashes and winged eyeliner off the camera. Now I'm applying NYKAA's Pep Me Up face primer all over my face. Now my favorite foundation by Maybelline Fit Me. Using a beauty blender, I'm applying the foundation all over my face, and then I'm gonna blend the foundation. Taking my favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm gonna very carefully apply the concealer under my eyes. Using the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it out. Applying little bit of concealer around my mouth as well because I have pigmentation, and using the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it out. Taking Makeup Revolution's banana powder to bake my face, I'm using a sponge and I'm gonna apply it under the eyes, forehead, my cheekbones and chin area. Using Milani's contour powder, which is my favorite, I'm gonna contour the usual places. I don't know why, but I kind of enjoy contouring my nose. Maybe because I have a small nose. I'm done contouring and then I'm quickly gonna dust off the banana powder. You have to be very quick when you bake your face. Grabbing my Wet n Wild blush in the color pink, I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline to highlight my cheekbones, nose, little bit of forehead. Last step, Milani's Amore lip color. I'm gonna apply it all over my lips very carefully. Selena has outlined her lips, so I'm gonna do the same but very carefully. Using Faces Canada's lip gloss because the Milani lipstick is matte and Selena has worn a glossy red lip color. Now we are done creating this gorgeous Selena inspired makeup look. If you have enjoyed the makeup tutorial, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. It will only motivate me to perform better, to do better, and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. I'll link all the products that I've used in the description box below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, do take care of yourself.
Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.